Tapos, ano ba kaya? Thursday, meron sa Davao. Malaking rally. Siguro, parang yun yata yung last speech niya for the election season. Yun ang alam kong schedule niya. Kaya hugpong. Pero darating siya. And meron siya sa Bohol. By the way, sa Bohol. Wednesday. And then meron pa yata siya. Most likely sa the following day sa Davao. Wednesday yung yung Bohol. And then Thursday naman yung sa Hugpong. Most likely, atin siguro siya doon dahil nandun na siya sa Davao at that time. Hindi. Ang alam ko,
He's attending.
baka ng PDP. Basta alam ko merong rally din sa Huwebes. Hindi ko lang alam kung meeting the advance yun.
Sir, does this election mean for the president, and how crucial is it for him to place his allies in the House and in the Senate?
Well, every election to a president means something to him because those who will be elected in the Congress will have to be partners in the administration of the government. Kaya mas magandang yung mga naroon ay yung tutulong sa kanya. And yung mga ini-endorse niya, ang feeling niya ron, these are the people that can help me pursue a goal towards uplifting the lives of our countrymen.